With the Technology Transfer Canvas, your technology transfer strategy can be described in one single page with 9 basic blocks. Identification phase, to identify the outcomes of research and development efforts as inventions, discoveries, algorithms, or data, through several methodologies like invention disclosing, assets auditing, inventor conversations, or documentation review. Assessment phase, to assess the capability of the identified technologies to generate innovation and social impact, as well as explore the best strategies to transfer them to the market, through value propositions, assessment factors, or partner and resources needed. Protection phase, to generate intellectual property rights from science and technology-based assets that let the organization create competitive advantages and avoid third parties' appropriation, through the available protection mechanisms. The identification, assessment and protection phases let the organization create value from technology for innovation and social impact. Validation phase, to validate the innovation opportunities behind the technology, as well as the planned technology transfer strategy, before investing resources or advancing in the next phases, through validation methodologies like minimum viable product, or focus groups. Maturation phase, to further develop the technology to bridge the gap between the laboratory and the market, through further research, proof of concept, pilot plant, or even market development. Engagement phase, to identify, find and engage commercialization partners to transfer the technology to the market, through information sources, communication channels, promotional materials, and engaging processes. The validation, maturation and engagement phases let the organization market the technology to the right partner. Contracting phase, to identify, negotiate and sign the agreement to formalize the partnership terms and conditions, through different legal engagement levels, deal negotiation, IP license agreements and spin-out creation. Implementation phase, to achieve the effective transfer of the technology, so that the commercialization partner or the spin-out can benefit from it, as well as execute the partnership agreement terms and conditions. Monitoring phase, to monitor the evolution of the technology transfer partnership to ensure the success, as well as to overcome the difficulties that may arise, through dispute resolution, communication, or key performance indicators. The contracting, implementation and monitoring phases let the organization materialize the technology transfer partnership. Additionally, 6 enabling elements can accelerate the technology transfer process. 3 of them depend on the organization itself, like its capability to generate excellence and innovation, its ability to be visible and attractive, and its streamlined processes. Furthermore, the remaining enablers are beyond the organization's control, as working on a challenging environment, being part of an innovation ecosystem, and having a suitable legal framework. Use the Technology Transfer Canvas to design and visualize your technology transfer strategy in one single page, for universities, research centers, companies, startups or any organization.